Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the 15-inch. This is 2017. Now you can. This is Intel Core i7, and the RAM is 16 gigabytes. You can see the display is 15-inch, and the storage is 500 gigabytes. And you can see this is the battery information. The battery cycle 679, and you can see the graphics. This is VRAM is 2 gigabytes, and okay, this is a hardware overview, and let me show you the keyboard. This is silver color, and you can see the touch bar, the function. The function is normal, no problem, and no scratches here, no broken. The little display, no problem, and the keyboard a little bit dirty, and the space, the speaker grills here. This too old, 2017, too old. This color, and speaker grills is okay. Also, the trackpad function is normal, no problem. The big trackpad, you can see the big trackpad. Okay, let me show you the logo surface. Okay, this is the logo surface. Some scratches, and no bump here, no bump, no scratch. And let me show you the port. The port, of course, is many scratches here, you can see, and the corner, of course, some scratches because it's too old, almost 80 years, and you can see this edge, no problem. This edge, you see here some scratches, and the other side, there's some scratches here. Okay, some scratches here, and let me show you the back cover. Okay, the back cover, no problem. Oh, here's some scratches here. Okay, and let me show you the 15-inch display. The display has a big problem. Now maybe you can see the different color, but this maybe you cannot see the problem. But when I show you the gray color, you can see it clearly. Okay, you can see this area is a little darker than this area. This is the normal color, but this is not, because it's too old, 80 years. The price is about 1,500 CNY. You can see. And I change you another color. The red color. You can see the red color, not very clear. Only I'll show you one more time the gray color. So I tell you before, the gray color is very important. You can see 1,500 only the screen. This is a cheap one than the normal one. And you can see the specification. The specification here. Specification 16 gigas Intel Core i7, and the display 15-inch, and the storage 500. Okay, I'm in the wholesale market about the MacBook. You can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, see you guys in the next video.